In this tutorial, we will see how you can fix sound removal on TikTok in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. If you've ever uploaded a video and received a notification saying that your sound was removed due to copyright restrictions, don't worry, this guide will help you solve that issue. The solution involves two main steps, and both are very straightforward. First, we need to adjust your account settings. Open TikTok and tap on the icon in the top right corner to access settings and privacy. Then, go to the account section. If you currently have a personal account, you'll need to switch to a business account. Tap on that, continue, and choose any category for your account. For example, you can select Other and click Next. If it prompts you to skip certain steps, you can do so. Once this is done, your first step is complete. Now, let's move on to the second step. This involves editing the video itself. Tap the plus icon to upload or import the video you want to post. Once the video is loaded, you'll see the dashboard with several options. Look for the Add Sound button and select any sound from TikTok's library. You can pick a random sound for now. Once selected, tap on the stick button, which will start loading the sound onto your video. Next, on the right side below the filters, you'll find an arrow option. Tap on it to reveal more editing settings. Here, you'll see options for original sound and edit sound. To fix the copyright issue, slightly increase the original sound and decrease the edit sound. This balances the sound levels and prevents TikTok from flagging your audio. Once done, click Done. Finally, post your video as usual by tapping Next and then Post. To verify, you can compare two versions. One that is muted or flagged for sound removal, and one that you edited using this method. You'll notice that the video with the adjusted sound no longer shows a notification about sound removal. Following these simple steps, you can avoid copyright issues and keep your TikTok videos fully playable with sound. This method is quick, easy, and works every time if done carefully. Remember, TikTok often flags copyrighted music automatically, so using the business account trick along with editing the sound levels is the safest way to make sure your content remains compliant but audible. Try this method on your next video, and you'll notice a big difference in how your videos perform without sound removal issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Happy TikTok using!